Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact cells, rows, or columns to remove so Excel affects only what you intend. Click a column header or drag to highlight rows, and use Ctrl+click to pick multiple areas. Once done, inspect the formula bar and name manager for references that would break. This prevents cascading errors. Make a quick backup or save a copy now. It's fast insurance because removals can alter dependent calculations and links across sheets. You'll now pick how to remove. Delete shift cells, clear contents preserves formatting, and clear formats removes styling only. Right-click and choose Delete to remove rows or columns entirely. Confirm shift options to avoid misalignment. Alternatively, use Home Find and select Go to Special to target blanks, constants, or formulas, and then clear them. If you need to delete many rows, filter or sort to isolate them and delete full rows. This keeps you finish by recalculating with F9 and scanning the sheet for #REF or unexpected results because deletions commonly break references. Make sure pivot tables and charts still point to valid ranges, refresh them and adjust source data if needed. If something went wrong, use undo immediately or revert to the saved copy or version history. Finally, test key calculations and a sample of dependent sheets to confirm behavior. This step ensures your removal did not introduce hidden errors or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.